Hi kids, let's play. Playing in the playhouse.
Hi, Anu.
Playing with balls with this cute little girl. Let's play, play, play. Wow, so many balls. Let's play. Hey, cute little girl, come, come, come. Go back. Wow, how she is playing. Bye bye.